What makes Emory Human Genetics unique is the way we combine cutting-edge research with comprehensive clinical care and genetic training. We have built a strong infrastructure to train the next generation of genetic dietitians and scientists through postdoc fellowship, postmaster fellowship, and the visiting scholar program. Just as importantly, we are leaders in integrating research at the intersection of genetics and nutrition, making Emory a national leader for advancing the rare disease care through science, education, and community outreach.
We're very fortunate at Emory to have an extremely enthusiastic and dedicated and collaborative group of genetics professionals that are committed to patient care, research, and education. One of the things that makes us unique is the nutrition program that was developed by Professor Ronnie Singh. As you know, we're celebrating the 20th anniversary of GMDI, the Genetic Metabolic Dietitians International. And Dr. Singh created this here 20 years ago with some of her colleagues, and it is a professional home for metabolic dietitians.
It's really amazing to think what $20,000 over 20 years ago has been able to do. So with a lot of credit to Dr. Singh and the team, we know that small investments yield big returns.
When I came to Emory in 2003, I was pleasantly surprised to discover Dr. Ronnie Singh, who I had not known previously, but very quickly realized that she was already a world-class expert in the dietary treatment and management of children with PKU and MSUD. And it was also quickly apparent that dietitians like Ronnie were much more effective in managing and treating these patients than physician geneticists who are not trained in nutrition, dietary management, as well as dietitians are.
At the time, there was a real gap in practice standards and little support for dietitians in our field. And many dietitians felt professionally very isolated, including myself. I personally believe in the power of community. And really, GMDI grew out of desire to bring us all together, hopefully to share knowledge and give this specialty a really strong professional identity, something Emory helped me make possible. I think what was so nice is that Emory offered a wonderful infrastructure. Most of all, they gave me a wonderful subvention grant, my leadership, my division director who encouraged me. MNT4P was created to build on the mission and vision of GMDI with an academic environment, carrying it forward to some degree by ensuring that both patients and providers have great access to nutrition care, resources, and support. The Bionutrition Core at General Clinical Research Center at Georgia Clinical Translational Science Alliance isn't just a facility. It's a part of Emory's history of leadership in metabolic nutrition, and it's a bridge to the future of translational research and patient care. I think what truly sets it apart is this unique combination of history and innovation, a long-standing metabolic research kitchen paired with the state-of-art facilities for nutrition equipment and expertise with other team members, and where training is possible for the next generation.
One of the most exciting things that occurs in the Georgia CTSA Clinical Research Centers every year is the Metabolic Camp. This is a great way for researchers to meet their patients, for patients to understand the depth of support that is occurring on the research that's happening for them. Anytime that somebody that's making discoveries can meet the population that they are working for and towards, this is a very rich synergy.
I think we have been very fortunate to collaborate with GCRC. About 30 years ago, we started this research-based camp in partnership with the GCRC, which allows us to understand and study the rare disease like PKU and answer many questions while letting the young girls have fun at the camp and learn on Emory campus. We also have an opportunity to learn from them about the disease. And this has resulted in several publications in the area of PKU and added to the new knowledge in the field.
We are entering an exciting era of precision nutrition, where advances in genomics allow us to tailor dietary intervention to the unique genetic profiles of individuals. For patients with a rare genetic disease, this means treatments that are more effective and more personalized. Beyond rare genetic disorders,
I think as we become more attuned and experienced with omics, such as metabolomics, genomics, proteomics, the omics type aspects of research are going to become more and more important for dietitians to learn about. The other thing that Dr. Ronnie Singh and I are doing are stable isotope studies, where we can look at amino acid metabolism in people, for example, with inborn errors of metabolism.
It's truly a part of our mission to train the next generation of scientists and clinicians. Doing so positions Emory to be a leader in genetics and nutrition, truly forming the basis for the future of precision nutrition.
over the past 2 decades, GMDI has defined global standards of care, trained the workforce, and given patients and family hope. Your commitment has changed lives, and your leadership ensures a brighter future for the next generations of dietitian and physician scientists.
Continue to encourage your young people to take on leadership roles, both in clinical care, in educational programs, and in research in this important area.
I just want to tell you that the future is really in your hands. The more awareness and the more nutrition that underpins all of the types of studies that we do in medicine and related fields are going to really help us in the future set the tone and the therapeutics for how we should be as a healthy world and healthy community.
I think that you should continue to fight for certification in metabolic nutrition and work with other genetic professionals to push the field of precision medicine forward.
As I reflect on this journey, I want to remind myself how deeply grateful I am to those who shaped my path. Dr. Warren, my former chair, Dr. Alsace and Dr. Fernoff, the 2 physicians who I worked closely with and are no longer with us. Also, my special thanks to Dr. Ledbetter, my former division director, for his encouragement, and my current leadership at Emory, whose support makes our vision possible today. I am honored to carry that forward through GMDI and MNT4P. I think many times when I am on the stage representing the program and getting the recognition, I always feel it's not one person who does this. It's a village which takes to get this work done. And I have to say that my proudest moment is, and a lot of gratitude for the kind of team I work with. It is the team who makes all this possible. And I'm very proud to be a part and honored to be a part of that team.
Congratulations.
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 Congratulations to Ronnie Singh, the founders, and the Emory team
On the 20th anniversary of the founding of GMDI at Emory.